Yes, healing is very difficult work. That's just the reality of it. And it is so difficult that it's actually easy to continue choosing the same reinforcements of the original wound. It's like a safety mechanism, it's a defense mechanism. You have the original wound, chaos, pain, anger, dysfunctionality in relationships. And then as a result of that, you've chosen reinforcements based on that in the form of relationships and media. And even though you're healing, you quite possibly are still choosing the same reinforcements, same unhealthy dynamics in relationships, the same chaotic media, because it's comfortable and familiar. Repetition compulsion has us choosing the same thing over and over again. Sometimes even when we're aware of what repetition compulsion is, by the way, which is to the drive itself to keep the comfortable and familiar dynamics of the childhood alive. You could be totally aware of it and still be doing it. So this is why it's important to ask yourself why you're continuing to choose the same reinforcements of the original wound. And then to get curious and like step outside of that, step into the unknown. Maybe you tie your self-worth externally. Take your power back, cut all those ties, and realize that your worth is intrinsic. You determine your worth, nobody else. And yes, you're allowed to. You don't need any permission from anybody else, including myself, to do so. Your worth is intrinsic. When you cut those ties and you take your power back, how does that feel? And then why would you continue to externalize your self-worth after you've experienced that? It's wild how this transforms when you stop choosing the same reinforcements of the original wound.